Good morning, guys. Week 2, if you will. I'm not going to keep track of the weeks because I'm not going to be able to, but I just want to say how grateful I am for you guys. The overwhelming response from last week's video was so kind. It has me so excited. You were happy to see a video from me, excited about the format, which makes me excited. Seriously, you guys, it's such a weight lifted to be able to tape what I can tape in a day, edit it, upload it, and get it out there for you guys all in one day. It really is just such a weight lifted, because sometimes pieces, right, can take days and days and days, and trying to cram it all into a week can get really overwhelming. So thank you so much for embracing this new way of doing things for me anyway. So probably more of a vlog style as well. Welcome back if you're new here. I am Sarah, this is Vintage and Painted. We're gonna hang out together in a day. We're gonna tackle different projects. We're gonna go thrift shopping in different episodes, and we're gonna go with the flow. I am very much a go with the flow kind of girl, so I am loving the idea of this new format. So if you want to stick around, hit subscribe. That would be amazing, and I would love to have you along on the journey. Let's get started. So what did we get done last week on the piece? We got a base coat on there, we got a textured coat, and then a watered down coat, if you will, on top of that. We also got the inside of the top done, and it's looking really good. I've let it dry all week. I've restrained. I have not touched it, even though I've been in the garage a million times and thought, oh, I could just do, and I'm like, no, Sarah. So I did have 2 things I wanted to do today. We're going to do something special to the doors. I was inspired by something that I saw on Pinterest, so we're going to be tackling the drawers today. I have been thinking about the inside. Now, I painted it last week in Apothecary, and I love that beautiful vintage duck egg sort of green. It is beautiful. I did a textured coat on this with Prairie Grey, and I'm thinking I might do a coat of Prairie Grey on the inside just to bring the inside to matching to the outside. Yeah, I think that's gonna make it a little more cohesive. I'm also going to paint the inside of the doors in Prairie Grey, but the outside is going to be different. So I had to put the top on, okay, the bottom, because I needed to look at it and see what it looked like. I'm happy with it. I know it's a process. I know all these patches and that sort of thing are pretty confronting. It's sort of in your face. That's why I wanted to tone down the green with the Prairie Grey to sort of tie in the inside to the outside. And also, as I said, this is all about layering, so this is where we're up to so far, but when we get to the final layout, it'll all tone down and make sense and look like it does in my head. So, all right, next thing is to take this down and paint the inside. guys. I mean, I got a fair amount done today. I sanded back everything, repainted the inside, and I've done 3 out of 4 doors. I have to set myself homework this week after work, and I will have to finish that one last door off for next week. But I'm gonna call it quits there and end the video. Looks like it is gonna be a 3-parter, because next time we're going to finish the doors. I have sanded all of those back. I'm gonna paint the inside side of it, and then the outside I'm gonna bleach them. I'm gonna lighten them up, and I want that raw wood look, exposed wood look on just the doors. I think it's gonna look really pretty. I was inspired by something I saw on Instagram. And then we basically need to seal all of this, use decorative dark waxes to bring it all together, and then she's ready to stage, get new hardware, and post it for sale. So that's what's gonna be next time, you guys. I hope you'll stick around. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is what I could get done in a day. Mind you, I had my kids coming in and talking to me for a little bit, and I stopped for a little while when I had lunch, that type of thing. But this is fun. I am enjoying this and making over furniture. I've really been able to switch off and just enjoy the process of painting again, and I love it. Love it. All right, I love you guys, and I will see you next week. Bye, you guys. Just kidding. I know myself well enough to know that I won't do it. I won't do it after work, because I'm going to be too tired. I usually pass out right after I come home. So, I'm done. See you next week. Bye.